Alright, I'm going to try to do this one-handed. But I'm going to check on the bees today. I've got my suit on. Going on in. Hey everybody. There's all the ladies. Yeah, we're all gonna chill out. Hey guys. Oh yeah, there's a lot more of you than there used to be, huh? Look at all them bees. Hi. What are you doing in here? You don't belong here. Okay. Oh, I can hear you buzzing now. There's no need to get upset. You know who I am. I'm not really on there today. There we go. Hello. So, what we got is we got this hive here, and then we got 5 frames from the bee dealer. And the 5 frames had the queen and some of her workers, and it was full of larvae and a little bit of honey. So what we've been looking for is for them to be moving from the original 5 to these new pieces here to start building more honey area and stuff, and actually building onto this new hive. But now there is a lot more bees here than there was when we bought it. They definitely have hatched out a lot. A little bit of mess to clean up. Some of the comb, they're coming up. I'll clean that up. But everybody's looking pretty good. I'm not going to be able to pull out a frame while I'm holding my camera because it's just, I don't want to hurt anybody, and it's hard to do with one hand. So I'll put you guys down for a second. We'll check one of the new frames. Let's see here. Hey guys, look out. Yeah, you gotta look out. You guys are doing a good job. Look out. There you go. Look out. Oh, I can hear y'all. I can hear you buzzing in my ear. I can. My phone going off too, huh? Look out now. Let Mama grab this, huh? Oh, I see y'all. Yeah, you're starting to explore some more. There we go. You can see down in there. Let me see if I can get a better view. Focus better. Oh. This is one of the new frames, and as you can see, they're starting to build their own comb on it. All that's a new comb. And they're working on it pretty good. The goldenrod is just now budding, and once that blooms, these guys are gonna be working like crazy. But oh yeah, oh, hello. That's good to see. They're just filled on this down in there. That's just completely full. Completely full. So yeah, they definitely need to start moving on to some new pieces. Don't you guys, huh? You guys gotta move on. You're just cramped in there. You gotta move on. You guys are doing so well. It's gonna be time to put another box on. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the bees, and I'm gonna clean up a little bit where they've made some messes and with their comb in places it shouldn't be. But everything's going so good so far.